Divide 93 by 2. So here we divide 93 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the beside number 3. So now it became 13. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 1. So now again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it becomes 0. So 93 divided by 2 we get 46 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.